A particle located at x equal to 0 at t is equal to 0 starts moving along the positive x direction with a velocity v that varies as v is equal to alpha root x. The displacement of the particle varies with the time as option A t power 1 by 2, B t cube, C t square, D t. So all of you listen. These are the options for this question. So it is given in the question. So when time is equal to 0, the displacement of the particle is 0. The object is moving in the positive x direction. So the instantaneous velocity of the body v is equal to alpha root x. So we have to find the displacement and we have to find the relation with the time. Okay. So the instantaneous velocity v is equal to alpha root x. So such a type of question, since the instantaneous velocity is given, so we have to find the displacement. So such a type of question, so we have to follow the three steps. What are the three steps? So write v is equal to dx by dt. So second step, separate the variables. Separate the variables. 3. Integrate the differential equation with proper limits. So these are the steps we have to follow. So v is equal to, all of you listen, v is equal to alpha root x. So first step, v is equal to dx by dt. So dx by dt is equal to alpha root x. Second step, separate the variables. So x variables in one side and t variables in another side. So dx by root x equal to alpha dt. Third step, integrate. Okay, so here the limit is not given. So without limit we can integrate. That is integral of dx by root x equal to integral of alpha dt. Okay. So dx by root x, that is, what is the integration? That is 2x power 1 by 2 is equal to alpha integration of dt t plus c, that is indefinite integration. Okay, indefinite integration 2x power 1 by 2, so is equal to alpha t plus c, constant of integration. So we have to find the constant of integration. One initial condition is given, x equal to 0 at t is equal to 0. So 0 is equal to t is equal to 0, 0 plus c. So the constant of integration is equal to 0. Okay. So 2x power 1 by 2 is equal to alpha t. Okay. So x power 1 by 2 is equal to alpha t by 2. So x equal to, that is alpha square t square by 4. So this is the displacement, x equal to alpha square t square by 4. So alpha is constant, alpha square is constant. So this term alpha square by 4 is constant. So x is equal to some constant into t square. So the displacement varies with the time as, that is the square of the distance. So option C is the correct answer.